In this guide, I'll walk you through how to recover Google Authenticator app and restore all your connected codes and accounts, even if you no longer have your old phone. First, open Google Authenticator on your new phone. When you open the app, you'll likely see two options: scan a QR code and enter a setup key, but you don't have access to either of these since your old phone is gone. Don't worry, there's a quick fix. At the top right corner of the screen, tap the avatar icon, your profile picture. Select the Google account that you used with Google Authenticator on your previous phone. If the account isn't listed, tap Add Another Account and sign in. Once the correct account is selected, tap Allow when prompted. Boom! All your verification codes will automatically reappear. That's it. No QR code, no setup key. Just make sure you're signed in with the same Google account. What if the account isn't listed or auto restore doesn't work? If you don't see your Google account listed or the codes don't come back, you'll need a second device, like another phone or a computer. Here's what to do. Use a PC or another phone. Open a browser and log into your Gmail account. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Manage Your Google Account. Go to the Security tab. Scroll down and find How You Sign In to Google section and click Authenticator. Enter your password to continue. Click Change Authenticator app. A QR code will appear on the screen. Scan the QR code with your new phone. On your new phone, open Google Authenticator. Tap the plus icon, then choose to scan a QR code. Grant permission if asked, and scan the code shown on your PC. Once scanned, tap Next and enter the code from your app. Tap Verify. Done. Your Google Authenticator is now restored and working on your new phone. That's how easy it is to recover your Google Authenticator app.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.